What a great shot from Gary. You know, the drive is one of the best shots you could wish to play. It gives you a special thrill as a batsman hitting the ball for four, whether it's through the covers or straight, and as a spectator to see that particular shot, it gives you a special thrill. Now, I've got a few props here which I'd like to use to show you how to simplify teaching the drive, which is one of the hardest shots to teach. I've got two old swimming pool floats with foot marks on them, which I've done myself, a cup with a hole in the top, and a ball. And I've asked Vainant to come and demonstrate. So Vainant, would you like to come along? First thing I'm going to do is put the one of the mats where it says toes only on there, on the back foot where Vainant would normally stand in his stance. And the other one, I'm going to ask Vainant what he thinks is a half volley, because you can't play the drive without hitting a half volley or a low full toss. So Vainant, where do you think your half volley suits you? Okay, now you see Vainant's quite tall, so it might be a shorter guy and his foot might not be the same distance forward. So he thinks that's a half volley. Vainant, the ball's going to pitch there all the time and we're going to make it easy for you, right? I'm going to put a cup next to your foot. I'm going to put the ball on the cup, and then, quite simply, I'm going to put your foot there to make sure you get it there all the time. Okay. All right, so just start off in the stance, Vainant. The other major problem you're going to get with driving the ball is the fact that the hands work against each other. And quite often you will see in cricket a youngster hitting the ball with too much bottom hand, which means he's actually hitting across the line of the ball, hence the piece of string. What we're going to try and teach here is that both hands are going to work together along that piece of string. So we're going to separate them now so that we can see what happens. Okay, Vainant, take your right hand off, put it behind your back, okay? Top hand, I want you now to get your weight onto that one. Let's get all the weight. On this particular back mat, I put toes only. And the reason for this is to make sure that Vainant weight is forward when you drive. That's very important, okay? Now I want Vainant to swing down, all right, along that line and make contact with the ball absolutely perfectly. So if he's strong enough and he gets his shoulder in the right place, he'll be able to do it, okay? So he points the shoulder at the ball first of all, Vainant. Point the shoulder at the ball and swing through with the top hand. Well done, good, okay? Right, let's collect the cup and the ball. Okay. Place the ball back again onto the cup and ask Vainant to do it now with just the bottom hand, okay? Okay, so we take the top hand now. In order to keep his weight correct, we don't want his body turning, okay, to the left there. We want to keep his weight going towards the ball, so we've got to use this top hand and actually make his weight come forward to help. When he swings with the bottom hand, swing along the string and bring it up towards the top hand there, but make sure that at the end of it, head is forward and both arms are straight, parallel to that piece of string on the ground. Okay, Vainant, in the right hand only. Okay, swing back, keep the weight forward, and make contact with the ball. Ready? And straight. Okay, don't worry, Vainant. I want you to do it slowly to start with. That is the problem. Quite easily to see, Vainant came round the ball. You see how easily it can happen. Right now, come along the string and make contact. You can't make contact, you can't miss it if you go along the string, Vainant. Good, okay. All right, that's not too bad. Let's see it again. This time with both hands, Vainant. Make it much easier. Again, weight forward, okay, and swing. Well done, Vainant. That's good. Okay, the next step forward is to use a moving ball as opposed to a stationary ball. And let's see how Vainant does. For the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to throw the ball underarm. Are you ready, Vainant? Okay. Shot, well done. Keep that weight coming forward. Head over the ball. Good shot, great shot, well done. Notice the eyes on the ball, the weight coming forward, the front foot beside the ball, the hands swinging along a straight line, and then following through on the same line.